Dude, yeah, it's perfect. Can you do a 1K bet on blackjack? Dude, you trying to break me on blackjack? Fucking hell. What are you trying to do to me? I'll do it for a sub. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it for a sub. Where's that casino? Hey! Now I've got to do it. All right, here we go. Where's the casino? Lol, don't really got to do a 1K. I'll do a 1K. No, dude. I'm a man of my word. The deal, the transaction, everything, it was 1K. 1K bet. I'm lost. Where the fuck is casino? Hey, there it is. All right. Yeah, this way. All right, what time is it? Is it gambling time? Almost. All right, it's almost gambling time. I'm gonna do a 1K bet. 1K bet on blackjack. That was the transaction. Okay, it's open. Boom. All right, 1K on blackjack. Oh. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's a 17 versus their 2. Oh god, this is the worst. This is the worst. This is the worst. Yes! Let's fucking go! Holy shit! Oh, that worked out. Got a sub, got an extra double my money, basically. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Nope. I know when to walk away from shit. That is absolute walk away fucking shit right there. That couldn't have gone any better. That could not have gone any better. Alright, let's go back to the apartment and save because my head is about to bust with the excitement. Hey. Hi, YouTube. Yeah.